8 relationship secrets to keep someone in your life. Have you ever wondered why some people stay close to you, while others slowly drift away? The truth is, keeping someone in your life doesn't require control or pressure. It's about understanding what the heart truly needs. Let's explore 8 powerful ways to build lasting connections. Number 1. If someone feels lonely, give them your attention. They'll naturally draw closer to you, because deep down, every human craves connection. Number 2. If someone is greedy, show them a glimpse of value, whether it's wealth, opportunity, or growth. They'll chase it, because desires often drive choices more than logic. Number 3. If someone is scared, make them feel safe. When people feel protected, they'll open their hearts, because security builds trust faster than anything else. Number 4. If someone is angry, respect their ego. A little understanding can turn hostility into loyalty, and they'll stand right by your side. Number 5. If someone feels lost, guide them toward clarity. In a confusing world, people naturally follow those who give them direction. Number 6. If someone feels unappreciated, give them recognition. Genuine appreciation creates bonds that last a lifetime, because everyone wants to feel valued. Number 7. If someone feels unheard, listen without judgment. In a world full of noise, being truly heard is rare, and it makes people hold on tightly to those who listen. Number 8. If someone feels tired of life's struggles, bring them hope. A spark of encouragement can light their darkest days, and they'll remember you as the person who gave them strength to keep going. Remember, relationships don't last because of luck. They last because of effort, kindness, and understanding. When you give attention, safety, respect, appreciation, listening, and hope, people don't just stay, they choose to stay. So, ask yourself, who in your life deserves more of your attention today? Because the truth is, the strongest bonds aren't forced, they're nurtured. And when you choose to nurture them, you'll never walk alone in this journey of life. Now, here's where you come in. Head to comment section and answer the amazing question I've pinned there. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and your answer might inspire someone else today. Thank you for watching.